You are out on the job site, ready to engage the dump bed, winch, or snowplow on your work truck. You flip the switch, and absolutely nothing happens. Your workhorse has suddenly become just a regular truck, and you are left staring at a check engine light. This is the classic scenario for trouble code P260B, which stands for PTO control circuit low.NI. The PTO, or power takeoff, is that brilliant system linked to your transmission that drives all your heavy-duty auxiliary equipment. When this code pops up, your truck's computer is telling you that the voltage or resistance in the PTO control circuit has dropped so low that it is outside the acceptable range. While this usually will not stop you from driving the truck down the highway, it definitely stops you from getting any real work done. The causes here are often physical because work trucks live a hard life. We are talking about potential shorts in the PTO control circuit, a defective relay coil, or simply wiring that has been rubbed raw from vibration and debris. Your first move should always be checking for technical service bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model, as manufacturers often release updates for these known issues. If that is clear, crawl under there and take a close look at the PTO unit and its wiring. You are hunting for scrapings, bare wires, or burn spots. Check the connectors for green corrosion or loose pins, especially if your truck sees a lot of road salt or mud. If the visual check passes, you will need to break out the multimeter and the specific wiring diagram for your truck. You need to verify if the fuse or fusible link protecting this circuit is blown. But remember, a blown fuse is usually a symptom, not the cause, so finding out why it blew is key. Since PTO systems can vary wildly depending on whether you are running a dump bed or a generator, having the specific schematic for your upfit is crucial. Do not just guess with the probe. Ensure you are testing the right wires for continuity and power, otherwise you might miss a simple ground fault that is keeping your gear from engaging.